Welcome back. Quepem Urban Credit Society is battling the storm of defaulters. Sources inform that the 30 kilograms of gold, which was kept as lien against loan worth 8 crore rupees, has turned out to be fake. People suspect of a big nexus and a scam in this gold episode. But Vice Chairperson of Quepem Cooperative Credit Society says no need to worry, bank is stable and financially sound.
Few parties had availed loans from Shiroda branch of Quepem Urban Cooperative Credit Society by keeping gold as lien. About 30 kilograms out of 34 kilograms of gold is suspected to be fake. The situation is chaotic. Now it is suspected that few parties are in nexus and have committed this alleged scam. Bank might have to bear loss of around 8 crore rupees if the gold is proved to be fake. It is being sent for verification. Vice Chairperson Subhash Faldesai says all is well, no need to worry. Bank is financially sound and strong.
Fake म्हणून अजून कळले ना. आम्ही किती केलं सकाळी ऑक्शन काढले. ऑक्शन कोणी घेतले ना म्हणून आम्ही डाऊट आयला आसा म्हणून आम्ही त्या हाजे एनालिसिस करपाक जायला टेस्टिंगाक सॅम्पल आणि फाल्यां म्हणल्यार रिजल्ट येतले. फाल्यां प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दवरल्या.
बँकेक काय दुकान अशें तुमकां ह्या मोमेंट
बँकेक काय दुकानां बँकेक कित्याक दुकान आसतलो आमचे तशें कितेंय जालें फॉर आर्ग्युमेंट सेक वी हॅव व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग रिजर्व्स कळ्ळें न्ही. आमची 1 वर्साची प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इज गुड इनफ टू वायप ऑफ. तशें जालें जाल्यार बट एट द सेम टायम जे कोणाचे आसा न्ही आमी प्रायमरीली ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून तांचे एसेट्स कितें आसात तशें करप हें जावपाचें आसा आमचें. आमकां बँकेक तशें कांय लॉस आसचेंच ना कळ्ळें न्ही. ऑल दीज इयर्स प्रॉफिट जनरेटेड इट इज बीन पुट इन टू रिजर्व्स. ताच्या भायर आमची जी हें आसा न्ही लिक्विडिटी रेशो बी दोज आर व्हेरी हाय कळ्ळें न्ही. हाय इन अ सेन्स आमचे आतां पसून जालें जर जाय जाल्यार सगळे पसून डेपोजिट्स आसा न्ही ते पसून फाल्यां सकाळी जर कोणी काडपाक गेले जर जायत वी वील नेवर से नो. आमी जे हातून ब्रांच मॅनेजर्स बी आशिल्ले तांकां सस्पेन्शन काडलेलें आसा बाकीचे सो दॅट दे शूड नॉट इंटरफियर इन दीस. हे एकच ब्रांचेचे.
सो खंयची ब्रांच म्हटली?
शिरोडा branch. It is not a single family. There are about 29 parties. आणि कितें जालें जर जायत फाल्यां म्हणल्यार आमी FIR घालतले.
Bureau report Prudent.
Kankan building collapse tragedy is nothing but just an accident. This is the claim of Kankan BJP bloc. They say BJP should not be blamed for it. They have also supported demolition of the 2 unsafe buildings adjacent to the collapsed building of Ruby Residency. The members of the bloc have also congratulated Goa police for nabbing accused in Vijayapagi murder and rape case.
We are talking about the Ruby Residency जो complex आहा. Rubyचा project आहे जो unsafe असतात ते governmentan मोडचो. त्याचे म्हणजे किती unsafe unless it is been proved by the technical department. Of course, the technical team is observing on that. It's monitoring on that. जर ताणी जर टेक्निकल टीमिंग जर सर्टिफाय केले जर अनसेफ असा आणि इट हॅज टू बी डेमोलिश्ड
हांगा जी दुर्घटना घडली ती एक प्युअरली एक्सिडेंटल केस असलेली आणि तातूंतल्यान 31 जाणांचो मृत्यू जालो. तातूंत भितर आमचे गोंयकार भाव खास करून भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते आणि आमचे वोटर आशिल्ले. जेन्ना रुबी रेसिडेन्सी बिल्डिंग कोलॅप्स जाल्या नंतर काही लोकांनी आंदोलन करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. तातूंत राजकीय रंग घुसोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. इतले म्हणले गेले की मंत्री जे आमचे आसात रमेश तवडकर हांचो थंय फ्लॅट आसा तांचे खंय तरी तातूंत करप्शन आसा काय कितें असो विशय काही लोक करपाक लागले. ह्या घटनेचो आमी तीव्र निषेध व्यक्त करतात ज्या लोकांनी राजकारण करपाचो प्रयत्न केले त्या बद्दल.
Meanwhile, BJP spokesperson Wilfred Miskita has come down heavily on Pradesh Congress president for his illogical statements against the BJP.
Press conference of the president of the Congress party has been reported. I admit the zero experience in administration of the president of the Congress, but that is no excuse to make irresponsible, illogical and puerile statements.
Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Panchayats have received very poor response to socio-economic status and caste census data, which is kept open for public scrutiny in village panchayats. Some of the sarpanch claim that government has failed to make people aware about the census data. Data indicates that large number of population belongs to OBC as compared to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes.
The socio-economic and caste census data collected after a door-to-door survey in Goa is kept open for public scrutiny and objections from 2nd February. 12.88 lakh people are covered under the project. The data collected include details like qualifications, caste and others. Number of castes: OBC 19, ST 8, SC 5. Population: OBC 3,83,098, ST 1,51,541, SC 24,771. Distribution as per the religion: Hindu OBC 84%, ST 67.74%, SC 95.17%, Christian OBC 7.19%, ST 32.05%, SC 4.74%. Level of education: illiterate OBC 10.20%, ST 20.98%, SC 17.01%. Socio-economic status and caste census data is kept open for public scrutiny in village panchayats and municipalities. The last date for receipts and claim and objection to this report is February 23rd. Report will be final by March 19th. However, it has received poor response.
ग्रामसभेक कोणूच आयले ना पण ही कास्ट सेन्सस जेन्ना करपाचें ठरयलें गव्हर्नमेंटान जाल्यार जबरदस्त गव्हर्नमेंटान करपाक जाय आशिल्लो पण हांव लोकां कडेन अपील करता 23 तारीख पर्यंत पंचायतीन ते सेन्ससाचे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स आसतले फॉर्म्स आसतले कोणाची जर नांवां चुकलेलीं आसत जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी येवन ती फॉर्म्स भरचे आनी जेणे करून तांकां फ्युचराक बरें पडटलें
तेणी सांगलें ते आमकां लोकांक सांगलें मिटींग आमी मिटींग येयल्ले हाली आमगे ते चोड गांवचे चोड मेला तो आमगे पॉयंट मेन पॉयंट आमी उलोवपा लागून आमी येयल्ले सगळे आनी हिंगा येयले जाल्यार तेंगे रोखडी मिटींग काबार कित्याक आमी 7-8 जाण आतां तेन्ना येयल्ले आनी ते 7-8 जाण देंवताय.
Vivek Prabhu and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.